This is Charlie. Shh, he's sleeping. Charlie thinks it's too early to get up. Good morning, Charlie. Oh, Charlie. Breakfast time. Charlie loves to eat his breakfast. He is very hungry. Sorry, Mr. Smashes. Charlie doesn't like to share. Oh, Charlie. Charlie is ready to go outside and play. Get the ball, Charlie. Good catch. Oh, Charlie. Charlie can hear someone outside. Who is it? Charlie loves to help with the mail. Oh, dear. Oh, Charlie. Charlie loves his new sweater. It fits perfectly. Almost. Oh, boy. It is time for Charlie's favorite thing. A ride in the truck. Oh, Charlie. Charlie loves to feel the wind in his hair. Where are we going? Oh, Charlie. Uh-oh. Charlie is hiding. He is afraid of the big dogs. Where did Charlie go? Where is he? Oh, Charlie. Where are we going now, Charlie? Charlie picks out the biggest toy they have. It's even bigger than Charlie. Oh, Charlie. It was fun to be out, but it sure is nice to be home. What a good day for Charlie. Oh, Charlie. Big yawn. Charlie is very tired. Yes, it was a very good day for Charlie. Night-night, Charlie. Sleep well. Oh, Charlie. The end.